Pregnancy is great, but it also has some downsides. One of them is increased attention from others. Girls start picking out the baby's name in advance. Okay, I have an encyclopedia of names. Honey, do you like Archibald, Benedict, Cornelius, Joanne, Strauss? I don't think Ryan cares. I mean, the galaxy's in danger, but the child's fate depends on his name. I got it! Obi-Wan! Or better yet, R2-D2. How about Chewbacca? Oh, poor Ryan! It's common knowledge that when someone is in this condition, they cry a lot. It seems like there is no reason for tears. But look, the wedding ring suddenly became small. It doesn't fit on my finger, all because of this swelling. It's okay, honey. We'll definitely find a way out. Oh, I found it. Look, do you like it? A new ring. It's so beautiful. I can't believe it. Now someone else has a reason to cry. I'm getting tired of waiting. You always take so long. What? You were tired, huh? He can't understand how hard it is to walk with a big belly. It's okay. He's about to find out. Add a couple heavy things. Zip it up, and you are good to go. Oh, Ryan's walk changed. Honey, let's hurry up. Apartment remodeling is a big deal. Lots of pregnant people get interested in it. The idea of spending your free time with rollers and paint, it's not very exciting. But it looks like he doesn't have a choice, because the choice has been made for him. Painting the wall blue is easy, although it looks hard. Penny's not happy, so what is she going to come up with now? Pink. I want pink, please. What can you do? Here, it's done. Wrong again. How about yellow? But it was yellow already. That's great. That's perfect. Just going back to how things were works out well. How can you cry when you are looking at a ton of strawberries? Turns out it happens. What's the matter, sweetie? I can't get the stem off! Yeah, that's trouble. It's a good thing there's a strong man around. Life is bright and happy again. Oh no, what now? I did rip the tail off. Look at the seeds. They are so ugly. What? Here are some tweezers. Get them out of here, please. He'd do anything to make the mother of his child happy. Even do a strawberry seed removal. Anything for you, honey. Okay, now it's better. You are so good to me. What a cute idea. Taking a family picture while you wait for your baby. Nice, a friend agreed to help. And your boyfriend even agreed to wear this adorable little onesie. Now it's up to the photographer. Let's do this! And now this. So much creativity. And humor, of course. It's been a long photo shoot. Surely you'll get a lot of good shots. And finally, pick her up. It'll be beautiful. They are so excited to see the pictures. But they don't really look happy about the results. Because the only thing in the frame is the baby bump. What about us? This is such a disappointment. Spending time with the grandma-to-be is a big deal too. Son, you remember your favorite pacifier, right? A secondhand pacifier? You wish! Ryan's mom is always ready to share her experience, and more. Looks like the baby will have everything. The only thing missing is a tricycle. Oh, little Bobo, what are you doing here? Ryan's old potty? Isn't that too much? Looks like Penny doesn't like any of this. It's a tale as old as time. Parents want to help, but not all children like it. A pregnant girl always needs help putting her shoes on. Here come your favorite shoes. Whoa, we got a problem. The shoes don't fit. That's weird. The size hasn't changed. Yeah, except my feet are swelling. Yet another reason to cry. But not for long, because your boyfriend is happy to carry you. I am so lucky to have you. Good nutrition is the key to feeling good. When you are expecting a baby, it's especially important. A salad is a great addition to your diet. Oh, don't forget to ask your partner to buy something. Except talking on the phone and getting food from the fridge at the same time, it's a bad idea. Oh no, I left my phone on the shelf. What do you expect Penny to do if she dresses the salad with whipped cream? And decorates it with a cherry on top? Oh, yummy! Where's the phone? It's been a while since Ryan called. Oh, I must have left it in the kitchen. It's not that easy. This is becoming a real treasure hunt. It's not here. Well, where could it have gone? Ryan gets home faster than she can find her phone. Starting a search party. The way to the phone is through the stomach. Let's see, what do we have in the fridge? Oh, there's your missing gadget. Yay! How to choose a pacifier for your baby? Very exciting reading materials. This author has devoted a big book to this issue. Almost a whole library's worth. So interesting, you just can't stop reading. At least you didn't start to take notes. Oh no, you did! Phew, finally finished it. Oh, there's also a second part? Okay, I need to find it and order it. I need to really understand parenting theory. It's evening, time to rest, but the pregnant body has a schedule. Every 3 hours. Honey, I'm hungry. What can you do? Just make her wish come true. Here's a plate of fruit, which is a healthy snack. And yogurt. Beautiful! Well, she's done eating. You can take the dishes. Great service! And now, time to go to bed. But soon, the meal needs to be repeated. That's what eating for two means. Ryan is waiting for the night meal to end. And he takes away the dishes again. Nuh-uh, another wake-up call. Ryan's going back to the kitchen for nourishment. 3 a.m., time for a snack. Something went wrong this time. Ew, the soup is cold. Will you heat it up? And in the meantime, I'll have some buns. He is taking so long, I might fall asleep. Oh, I'm late. Good night. Sleep, sleep, honey. Breakfast is soon. Shopping for the baby. It's so cute and exciting. All these little things. The first rattle. Look, that's adorable. And the future daddy is having a different kind of fun, which seems very childish to Penny. How much did you spend on all this? Oh, Ryan. You ruined such a sweet moment. Penny and Ryan are going to learn something exciting today. If their baby's a boy or a girl. I wonder what it is. What a nice surprise. Shall we start the reveal? The first balloon is empty. The second one is empty too. Nothing in the third either. Interesting. Okay, pop this one. Pink sequins. It's a girl! It's a girl! We'll have a beautiful baby girl, and she'll look just like you. This is real happiness. Did you like our pregnancy video? Which of these situations did you find the most unusual? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new relationship sketches from Troom Select.